And a big welcome back to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. Thank you so much for watching. I am wrapping up my week with the 2024 Hyundai Palisade, which comes in 6 trim levels. I have the XRT. The Palisade is the brand's flagship SUV, boasting 3 rows of seating. Manufactured in South Korea alongside its cousin, the Telluride, the Palisade shares the same smooth-riding chassis and potent V6 engine. While the Telluride leans towards sportiness, this Palisade has carved a niche for itself in a competitive segment that includes the Honda Pilot, Chevy Traverse, Ford Explorer, and the new Toyota Grand Highlander. Step inside and you'll find a refined, user-friendly cabin loaded with cutting-edge technology. Its serene interior provides an ideal backdrop for long family road trips, accommodating up to 8 passengers. However, the Honda and Chevy offer a tad more legroom in the 3rd row and slightly more cargo space. Behind the wheel, the Palisade impresses with light steering and a well-tuned suspension, prioritizing comfort over sportiness, while the Telluride, new Mazda CX-90, and the revamped Volkswagen Atlas offer a more engaging drive. The Honda Pilot, TrailSport, and Jeep Grand Cherokee L shine in off-road capability. In terms of fuel efficiency, this Palisade holds its ground in a growing hybrid market, competing with the likes of the Grand Highlander. For 2024, the Palisade welcomes a new top-tier trim, the Calligraphy Night Edition. SEL models receive standard dual automatic temperature control and 2nd-row automatic temperature control. The XRT, which we have here, now boasts manual rear seat window shades, while the Limited and Calligraphy models feature standard ambient lighting. Under the hood now, the Palisade boasts a 3.5-liter V6, 291 horses, paired with an 8-speed automatic. This combination ensures a smooth, quiet, and capable ride, prioritizing comfort. Although it doesn't provide the athleticism of rivals like the Explorer, it does excel at devouring highway miles in serene silence. Fuel economy-wise, it's competitive among V6 powered 3-row SUVs. Fuel economy, 19 city, 27 highway for front-wheel drive, 1925 for all-wheel drive. While the new Grand Highlander's fuel efficiency is yet to be officially rated as of this recording, it's expected to outperform the Palisade, particularly with its hybrid models. The Palisade offers generous space in the 2nd row, with optional captain's chairs for the SEL and standard captain's chairs for the upper trims. The cabin receives soft touch finishes and leather at the SEL level, elevating the overall ambiance. However, the unconventional push-button gear selector may take some getting used to, although I had no problem. The Palisade's interior shines with ample storage bins and spacious center console. When both rear rows are folded down, it offers a competitive 86 cubic feet of cargo space. Folding only the 3rd row provides over 45 for sports equipment, baby gear, and so on. With all rows in place, there's still 18 cubic feet of cargo behind that back row, on par with the class average. A closer look at the infotainment system, which is user-friendly, featuring a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen with navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a new Wi-Fi hotspot. The system is intuitive, with physical buttons for main functions, ensuring easy operation while driving. In the realm of 3-row family SUVs, the Palisade distinguishes itself with a rich feature set, luxurious interior, and a polished demeanor. While it may lack a sporty variant like the Ford Explorer ST, its smooth V6 offers an easygoing and comfortable ride. It may trail the Grand Highlander hybrid in fuel efficiency, but it excels in value, surpassing competitors like the Explorer and Atlas, with the Kia Telluride being a close rival. For my money, the Palisade is a standout choice in the 3-row SUV segment, offering spaciousness, features, and value while exuding luxury and personality. So the MSRP range on a 2024 Palisade is between $38,000 and $55,000. My trim level, right around $48,000. For more information, check out everymandriver.com right now. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes
at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.